Hi everyone, welcome to my course, welcome to Microsoft Excel, and welcome to this wonderful program. My name is Jed Guinto and I will be your instructor. And what can I say about this program? This program is absolutely amazing. It's revolutionized my life. It's opened up doors, it's opened up opportunities. It's helping me help other people with their own projects. It's helping me find patterns and details and intricate little things in data so large that it's going to blow your mind. And Excel will allow you to do that, right? This program is wonderful. As you can see from the image on the screen, these are some of the cool things you can do. You can really visualize your information, right? And it's not some mystical program. It doesn't take years to learn it, right? It's a program that you can teach in minutes sometimes, and you build upon your existing knowledge. So what I plan to do is introduce you guys just a little bit to the wonderful things this program can do. I'm going to show you guys how to build a basic table, do a few formulas. We're going to do some formatting. We're going to move things around, some calculations, data interpretation, so many wonderful things, and we're going to do it in around 30 minutes. That's it. 30 minutes. So I hope you're ready. I hope you're eager and ambitious and really want to learn this program, because this thing is going to absolutely change your life just like it's changed my life. So enough talk. Let's get straight into it. And good luck, guys. I'll see you guys soon.